Hello and welcome to the Adventures Club. In today's episode I will explain you how to use every analog watch as a compass, and it's actually quite easy. Now let me explain you how it works on my old pocket watch here. Just point your hour hand towards the sun, hold the watch flat, and the halfway point between the hour hand and the 12 o'clock mark will be south. So south is this direction. The opposite of south, north, the 8 o'clock mark, of course, is then north. And so this is how to use a watch, or better said, every analog watch as a compass. Pretty easy, right? But this version of the trick works only in the northern hemisphere, so be careful where you are. If you are in the northern hemisphere, you have to do it a bit different. But the general idea stays the same. Now let me explain this a bit closer with a little drawing. The circle here is your watch, and if the sun is here, you will point your hour hand towards the sun, just like this. And then, let's say it over here, the halfway point between the 12 and the hour hand is south. Opposite direction of south, obviously, is north. And this is how to use a watch, or better said, every watch, as a compass. Just like this. So now, the video is officially over. If you have managed to watch it for so long, let me know in the comments and write something like toaster. Then I know you have actually watched it till the end. And if you've watched it till the end and still didn't click away, well, then it's time to subscribe and join the Adventurers Club. And there will be some challenge videos in the future. I will make some survival kits and other great stuff, so stay tuned. And now it's time to talk a bit. If you like this kind of video and you wanna see me doing more of it, well then let me know in the comments or leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And there are by far more ways to tell the direction than just using your wristwatch. For example, there is a method where you put a stick in the ground, or of course using the sun directly. We all know the sun always goes up and goes down on the same place. So and this method is also quite interesting as it isn't influenced by any magnetic variations like a actual compass is. You know, true north and magnetic north are different. So